there, commanders. Welcome back. This is Liquid Ocelot, and guys, I have prepared a guide for you for optimizing your internet connection, or call it your troubleshooting internet connection for Command and Conquer Remastered. So first of all, the first step is to restart your router, and the reason is that if you restart your router, this will boost your internet connection because there might be a lot of data cluttered inside your router, and this will clear everything up. The next step is to run your game and your game client, which is either Steam or Origin, as an administrator. So guys, unfortunately I don't have any game that is running on Steam or on Origin at the moment, but what I can show you guys is another game. I have with me Command and Conquer Kane's Wrath. So all I have to do is go to properties and then compatibility, and here I'll just yes, maybe the easy way out is just open the game and right click it and just run it as an administrator. This is the easiest way, my friends. Right click the icon, game icon, and click run as administrator. Now let's go into step number 3, my friends. What I'll be doing is showing you how to. The third step is flushing your DNS. So let's start, my friends. I'll press CMD in the search box and run it as administrator. Now you see on the bottom right of the screen I have my Wi-Fi connection open. So what I'm going to do is write ipconfig /flushdns. Then what I'll do is write ipconfig space /registerdns. So right now Windows is configuring initiated. So now step number 3 is I'll write ipconfig /release, and now as you can see my computer has been disabled, the internet has been disabled on my computer. Now I'll write ipconfig /renew, and now I have reset everything and also flushed my DNS. My DNS is new now, and also what I'll do is write netsh winsock reset. This will completely fix the winsock catalog, and you just have to restart your PC. Now guys, all of this these methods will be posted in the description of the video, so check them out. Now we will go for step number 4. In step number 4, what I'll do is I'll show you the configuration. Right click this icon if you have Wi-Fi connected or Ethernet. So open network and internet settings, and go to change adapter options. So I'm using Wi-Fi 2 at the moment, an external adapter. I look for IP protocol, Internet Protocol 4, TCP IP version 4, and click properties and look at it. My DNS server, I have chosen the Google one, so you will write the same numbers 8888 and 8844 and press OK and save these settings just like mine, my friends. So this was on how to get yourself a Google DNS to boost your connection. And now what I'm going to show you in step number 5 is disable all these services, Microsoft services. So in start mode, write msconfig, and it will show up. Now system configuration I have clicked, and now I'll go to the services bar. So I have an option over here to disable all. So what I'm going to do is click this first, hide all Microsoft services, and then choose disable all and click apply, and then OK. I'll restart later, my friends, but it is advisable to restart as soon as possible. And now step number 6 to troubleshoot this, my friends, is go to task manager, right click in the taskbar and click task manager, and go to startup, and look at this. I have disabled all of my applications that are using the internet and stuff like that, background applications. So I have antivirus software running, and this CTF loader I have disabled, Discord I have disabled. I'll disable this one, NZXTCam, and click disable. Similarly, you have to disable all of the ones that you don't need, and this was step number 6, my friends. And step number 7, enable UPnP control panel. So let's do this step, my friends. Go to network and internet, network and sharing center. Go to settings and network and internet, click it, and then network and sharing center, network and sharing center, show available net, change network and sharing center, click this one, and let's see what is the other steps. Change advanced share centers, change advanced sharing centers, I click this, network discovery, turn on network discovery. Yes, turn this on. This will enable the UPnP, so I'll turn this on and save the changes. So this was it. This was enabling UPnP. This is good for you. Now guys, there is a thing that I wanted to share with you guys. The most important step which we Command and Conquer players have been using for the past 15 plus years is port forwarding. But the problem is I couldn't include it in this guide. I'll create another guide for this, my friends. Once I have gotten the information for the specific ports that will be required for port forwarding. But however, I can help you in keeping a lookout for port forwarding. So what you are going to do is go to portforward.com, and this will be updated by the EA troubleshooting website, I'm sure, as well in the future. Just go over here on port forward and scroll down, list of all routers. You can see the list of all routers, games by Jones. So I'll click games by Jones under games, and I'll go and click C, strategy, and you see I have strategy games with me over here. So under strategy games, my friends, you will see all the list of games, but right now I am afraid there is no Command and Conquer Remastered listed in the games. So if you guys find any information, I will still show you. Look, Command and Conquer, Kane's Wrath, Tiberium Wars, Tiberian Twilight, Command and Conquer Generals, Red Alert 3, Tiberian Dawn, Tiberian Sun, but there is no mention of Command and Conquer Remastered in the list of ports. So let's say if I clicked Command and Conquer, I'll just give you a preview. You see you will get these TCP and UDP ports, but this is not for Command and Conquer Remastered. So my friends, I'll make a second separate videos as soon as the ports for TCP and UDP are found out by this website or maybe EA help or something. I'll be signing off. Please let me know in the comment section below if these methods helped you or not. Take care, commanders. I'll be signing off.